Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got a question for you. How much do you trust your website security? Seriously, think about it. Because the truth is, most websites are sitting ducks, constantly bombarded by attacks. And what if I told you that the very security measures you're relying on might be the problem? Today, we're diving into a new approach to web security that's turning the industry on its head, and it involves AI. But is it the silver bullet we've been waiting for? Or just another layer of complexity in an already confusing landscape? We will analyze Pangea's new AI security guardrail suite and its $10,000 challenge. Buckle up, because this is going to be intense. Alright, let's get into the news. Pangea, a company focused on building security infrastructure, has just launched its AI security guardrail suite. What does that mean? Well, think of it as an AI bodyguard for your website. It's designed to detect and prevent online attacks in real time. The suite includes several key features, like anomaly detection, threat intelligence integration, and behavioral analysis. But the most interesting part is how Pangea is putting its money where its mouth is with a $10,000 challenge. They're inviting developers and security experts to try and break their AI security system. The first one who succeeds gets the cash. This shows a high level of confidence in Pangea's technology. So, what exactly does this challenge involve? Pangea is providing access to a protected environment where participants can launch simulated attacks against a website secured by their AI guardrail suite. The goal is to bypass the AI defenses and successfully exploit a vulnerability. This isn't just about finding a simple bug. It's about demonstrating a real-world attack scenario that the AI should have prevented. The challenge is open to anyone with the skills and knowledge to participate, but there are specific rules and guidelines that must be followed. Participants need to register and agree to the terms before they can start hacking. This is a great opportunity for security researchers to test their skills and potentially earn some serious cash. I'm really keen to see the outcomes and what vulnerabilities are discovered, if any. Now, let's dig deeper into the technology behind Pangea's AI security guardrail suite. One of the core components is anomaly detection. This involves training an AI model to recognize normal website traffic patterns. Anything that deviates from these patterns is flagged as a potential threat. For example, if a user suddenly starts making an unusually large number of requests, or if they're accessing pages they don't normally visit, the AI will raise an alert. This is similar to how fraud detection systems work in the financial industry. The AI is constantly learning and adapting to new patterns, making it more difficult for attackers to evade detection. I think this is a very powerful technology. Another key feature of the AI guardrail suite is threat intelligence integration. This means that the AI is constantly fed with information about the latest threats and vulnerabilities from various sources. This could include data from security vendors, open-source intelligence feeds, and even Pangea's own research. By integrating this threat intelligence, the AI can proactively identify and block known attacks. For example, if a new malware strain is discovered, the AI can be quickly updated to recognize and block it. This is a crucial aspect of modern web security, as attackers are constantly developing new and sophisticated techniques. Without threat intelligence, your website is essentially flying blind. Finally, the AI guardrail suite uses behavioral analysis to identify suspicious user activity. This involves tracking how users interact with the website and looking for patterns that suggest malicious intent. For example, if a user is rapidly trying different passwords on a login form, or if they're attempting to inject malicious code into a comment field, the AI will flag their behavior as suspicious. This is a more advanced technique than simple anomaly detection, as it takes into account the context of the user's actions. By analyzing behavior, the AI can identify attackers even if they're using legitimate credentials or masking their activity. Behavioral analysis is a key component of a robust security system. Now, let's talk about a crucial concept in distributed systems that is relevant to web security, the CAP theorem. This theorem states that a distributed system can only guarantee 2 out of 3 properties: consistency, availability, and partition tolerance. In the context of web security, consistency means that all users see the same view of the website. Availability means that the website is always accessible, and partition tolerance means that the website can continue to function even if parts of the system fail. Pangea, by integrating multiple security measures, aims to maximize all 3, but in reality, trade-offs are inevitable. Understanding the CAP theorem helps us appreciate the complexity of building a truly secure and reliable website. This is something that every developer should know. One of the biggest challenges in web security is dealing with zero-day exploits. These are vulnerabilities that are unknown to the software vendor and for which there is no patch available. Attackers can exploit these vulnerabilities before the vendor has a chance to fix them. AI can play a crucial role in detecting and preventing zero-day exploits. By analyzing website traffic and user behavior, AI can identify suspicious activity that might indicate an attempt to exploit a zero-day vulnerability. While AI cannot completely eliminate the risk of zero-day exploits, it can significantly reduce the window of opportunity for attackers. This is why AI-powered security solutions are becoming increasingly important. It's important to remember that AI is not a magic bullet. Web security is still a human-driven endeavor. AI can automate many tasks and provide valuable insights, but it cannot replace human expertise. Security professionals are still needed to analyze alerts, investigate incidents, and develop security policies. AI should be seen as a tool that empowers security professionals to be more effective, not as a replacement for them. In fact, the more sophisticated AI becomes, the more important human expertise will be. We need people who can understand the AI's limitations and make informed decisions based on its output. The human element is still critical. Of course, not everyone is convinced that AI is the answer to web security. Some experts argue that AI is overhyped and that traditional security methods are still the most effective. They point out that AI can be easily fooled by sophisticated attackers and that it can generate false positives, leading to unnecessary alerts. They also argue that AI-powered security solutions can be expensive and complex to implement. This skepticism is understandable, as AI is still a relatively new technology in the security space. However, the growing sophistication of cyber attacks is making it increasingly difficult to rely solely on traditional security methods. A layered approach, combining AI with traditional techniques, is likely the most effective strategy. There are very valid points of skepticism to be had. Web security is essentially an arms race between attackers and defenders. As defenders develop new security measures, attackers find new ways to bypass them. This cycle is unlikely to end anytime soon. AI is just the latest weapon in this ongoing battle. Attackers are already starting to use AI to develop more sophisticated attacks. For example, they can use AI to generate phishing emails that are more convincing, or to automate the process of finding and exploiting vulnerabilities. This means that defenders need to stay one step ahead by continuously improving their AI-powered security solutions. The arms race is escalating, and AI is playing a key role. As AI becomes more prevalent in web security, it's important to consider the ethical implications. One concern is that AI could be used to discriminate against certain users or groups. For example, if an AI system is trained on biased data, it could unfairly flag certain users as suspicious. Another concern is that AI could be used to track and monitor users' online activity without their consent. It's important to develop ethical guidelines for the use of AI in web security to ensure that it is used responsibly and fairly. We need to be mindful of the potential for unintended consequences. So, what does the future hold for web security? It's clear that AI will play an increasingly important role. We can expect to see more AI-powered security solutions that are able to detect and prevent attacks in real time. We can also expect to see attackers using AI to develop more sophisticated attacks. The key to staying ahead of the curve will be to continuously innovate and adapt. We need to develop new AI techniques that are more robust and resilient. We also need to foster collaboration between security professionals, researchers, and vendors to share knowledge and best practices. The future of web security depends on it. Pangea's AI Security Guardrail Suite and its $10,000 challenge are a significant step forward in the fight against online attacks. By combining anomaly detection, threat intelligence integration, and behavioral analysis, Pangea has created a powerful security solution that can protect websites from a wide range of threats. The challenge is a great way to test the effectiveness of the AI and to identify any weaknesses. Whether Pangea's approach will revolutionize web security remains to be seen, but it is definitely a promising development. I'm very excited to see what the future holds. So, what do you think about Pangea's AI Security Guardrail Suite? Do you believe that AI is the future of web security? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're a security expert or developer, I encourage you to participate in Pangea's $10,000 challenge. It's a great opportunity to test your skills and potentially earn some serious cash. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech news and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there, and keep those websites secure. For those who want to delve deeper into the theoretical underpinnings of AI and security, I recommend reading Adversarial Machine Learning by Goodfellow, Schlenz, and Segedy, 2014. This seminal paper explores the vulnerabilities of machine learning models to adversarial attacks, a crucial consideration when deploying AI for security purposes. Understanding these vulnerabilities is essential for building robust and reliable AI security systems. It's a must-read for anyone serious about AI and security.